Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a very short video. Just wanted to show you my progress of sun and moon from diamond dots. I started it yesterday. Thank you so much for all of you who responded and voted, so to say, what picture to start for me. I already replaced resin drills here with the sparklers. I don't really want to remove the plastic cover, but I don't think I did a good job. I should have selected a darker ones because they look like one shade. Unfortunately, they're supposed to be a little bit darker, so I might replace them with other shade AB diamonds that is a little bit darker. And I also wanted to show you these really very adorable bunny keychains, just for Easter, since Easter is coming, and I thought that it would be a really very nice gift that my daughter can do for her, classmates or for her friends or even teachers. So just those of you who celebrate Easter, maybe it would be also a good idea, to purchase something like that and give it away as a gift for Easter. There are also eggs, Easter eggs, not just bunnies, but Easter eggs. I haven't received them yet. Once I receive that kit, I will upload a video review. So 5 adorable bunnies with Easter eggs. Here they are. These are of a very nice quality. As far as I remember, they're like $6 or $7. I will leave the link in the description box below. I bought it from AliExpress. So they are diamond painted on both sides. They are plastic or acrylic, not just like the Christmas ornaments that I showed in my in several videos ago. I was super disappointed because they were made of paper and diamond painted on one side only. I was shocked. I've never even seen kits like this before. So these ones are really cute. There are also keychains and the drills. There are 15 colors: yellow, light blue, really very bright orange. I guess this is just regular transparent silver with some yellowish shade. Uh, this one I don't even understand what color it is. Pink, blue, a really very nice bright pink. There are two special drills, orange and red. Two shades of yellow, really very bright pink, red, and a regular transparent silver color. So here it is. So I will leave the link. I think it's really worth purchasing. So this is all for today, and I will keep updating you on my sun and moon progress. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.